In this video, I will show you how to use Heygen in Canva. Start by going to Heygen AI's official website. On the left-hand panel, click Apps, and under Integrations, select Canva app. This will automatically redirect you to Canva in your browser. A pop-up will appear right away. Click Use in New Design, then choose Video from the drop-down. Canva will open a blank video canvas for you to work on. On the left-hand panel inside Canva, you'll now see the Heygen app interface. Choose the AI avatar you want to use. Then select the view mode you prefer, such as talking head or full body. Enter your script in the text field, choose the voice you want, and when everything looks good, click Generate Video. Wait a moment while Heygen creates your AI avatar video. Once it's finished processing, the video will appear on the left panel. From here, simply click Add to Design to place it onto your Canva canvas, where you can resize it, position it, or combine it with other elements. And that's how to use Heygen in Canva.